In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file an amendment using TurboTax in this updated step-by-step tutorial. This process can seem daunting at first glance, but don't worry, we'll make it as straightforward as possible, ensuring you feel confident in amending your tax return. To begin, head over to the TurboTax official site. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the address, or simply searching for TurboTax. Once you are on the home page, locate the Sign In button, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and log into your TurboTax account using your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option available to reset it. After successfully signing in, you'll be redirected to the TurboTax homepage. Once there, look for the search bar. This is a handy tool, especially when you're trying to locate specific features or options within TurboTax. Type in the word amend into this search bar. This action should bring up the relevant results that will help us proceed to the next steps for filing your amendment. Upon seeing the search results, click on Jump to Amend. This will direct you to the section where you can start amending your tax return. You might come across various prompts and messages from TurboTax guiding you through their amendment process. One of the prompts might be, okay, let's get a kickstart on your 2024 amended return. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. Now you'll find an option labeled Adding or Updating a Tax Form. This is a crucial step as it allows you to specify exactly which part of your tax return you need to modify. Click on this option and TurboTax will guide you through the necessary changes. As you continue, you'll soon encounter a Continue button. Clicking Continue assures TurboTax that you're ready to proceed with the amendments. The final step involves another interactive page from TurboTax which asks, which one of these forms do you need to add to your return? Here you'll be able to specify the details of the form you're amending. Select the appropriate form from the list provided and complete the remaining steps guided by TurboTax. Once you've reviewed all your information and confirmed that everything looks good, TurboTax will guide you through the submission process. Make sure your amendments are accurate to avoid any future discrepancies. Amending your tax return doesn't need to be stressful or confusing, and with TurboTax the process is streamlined into these simple steps. I hope this tutorial has made the process clearer for you, empowering you to navigate through it successfully. If you have any doubts or require further assistance, TurboTax offers in-depth support to address your queries. Thanks for watching and good luck with your amendment.